I would like to invite Dr. Joshi, Member Secretary of the Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts, and also Dr. Gaur, Director of the Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts, Kalanidi, and also Dr. Ali Dehgahi, the Cultural Counselor of the Embassy of the Islamic Republic of Iran, for lighting the candle.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः आत्मबुद्धिप्रकाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपात्वं देहि कल्याणम् देहि सर्वान्
programs from time to time. And also when we talk about role of Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts in promoting, dissemination and preservation of cultural heritage, which is a common shared heritage between two countries. I am proud to say that we have a large repository of cultural heritage, archival holdings, which includes Persian manuscripts in microfilm.
The mountain range and the vast ocean separating Iran and India could never hamper the friendly relations of the people of both countries. These so-called barriers have contributed all the more to attract the enterprising yet amiable people to each other, to teach each other. India and Iran are not only neighboring countries, their size has ever been and it's akin to each other even today.
As I'm following the beautiful Persian proverb that as dost yak ishara as man har sar david basar david. I'm so happy to be part of this function. Friends, as you will see through the exhibition, and also as many of you are already familiar with culture of Iran, you would notice that India and Iran have very, very deep, very ancient, very wide ties in the field of culture, whether it is language, whether it's literature, whether it's food, whether it's philosophy.
Many forms of artistic manifestation in Iran and India enjoys many similar and interlinked elements which, despite delicate and beautiful differences, are close to one another in principle. The political, economic and cultural relations of the two nations of Iran and India are spread of historical, geographical and cultural grounds and ample commonalities, and the bilateral relation treads on a dynamic and progressive path which is intervenient.
It's really a great occasion for IGNCA to host this exhibition, celebration of 70 years of diplomatic relations between India and Iran. As it has been rightly pointed out by this esteemed panelist on the dais, that India share their relationship, which is cultural relationship, since ages. And cultural relationship is more important than any kind of diplomatic relationship, because geography divides and culture unites. That is the important thing. So even if we have some kind of a geographical borders, culture, there are many things which we share between us, and they are continuing since ages. I would like to quote a quote of Rabindranath Tagore, May 9th, 1932. I used to dream of a Persia where bulbuls made love to the roses, where in dreamland gardens poets sat around their wine cups and invoked visions of ineffable meanings.
Persian calligraphy. Alphabet is the same. 80% of the Persian is the same. Only 20% is different. Design is different. And Shirasaki.
This is also metal.
No, glass.
Glass and this
so many people and the music which will follow, musical event. As Shakespeare said, if music be the food of love, play it on. Evidently, enough music suits our, evidently enough our nerves are soothed by music. It helps us to feel joy and pleasure. And it plays an important role in relations of continuing relations with people. And music is a universe because music has a universal language.
غمش در نهان خانه دل نشینم غمش در نهان خانه دل نشینم به نازی که لیلی به محمل نشینم به نازی که لیلی به محمل نشینم گداهی به شاهی مقابل نشینم گداهی به شاهی مقابل نشینم